Welcome back. Israeli troops standing guard outside of Gaza's largest hospital, while Palestinian authorities propose a supervised evacuation of an apartment complex where many civilians are sheltering. Skylar Henry has more on the ongoing conflict in the Middle East.
Israel's military released new footage showing soldiers on the ground in Gaza as they continue their campaign to crush Hamas. The IDF says it's now in control of the Hamas Parliment and other key government buildings. Hamas released footage of its own, showing one of its fighters firing a bazooka. As the conflict rages into a sixth week, the humanitarian crisis continues to grow. Palestinians used hammers and their bare hands to find survivors at this site of this refugee camp, hit by an Israeli airstrike late Monday. Fighting is also intensifying around Gaza's Shifa Hospital. Israel claims Hamas is using the medical center as a command post, but Hamas denies the accusation.
Hamas and PIJ members operate a command and control node from Shifa Hospital in Gaza City. They have weapons stored there.
Gaza's Hamas-run health ministry says at least 40 patients, including 3 babies, have died since emergency generators there ran out of fuel Saturday. Israel's military says it's trying to deliver incubators to potentially move babies to safer locations.
Our war is against Hamas, not against the people in Gaza, especially not the sick.
Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu says he's working relentlessly for the release of the hostages being held. And President Biden had this message for their families.
Hang in there, we're coming.
Hamas says it's ready to release up to 70 women and children hostages in exchange for a 5-day ceasefire.
The Hamas-run Gaza Health Ministry says more than 11,000 Palestinians have died in the conflict, and at least 1,200 Israelis have died in the war.